This man, very good. What's your name?
Ahmed.
Ahmed. Yeah, he gives us good discount. These are people, they are nice people. Is it 1000 cc?
1100.
1100 cc, powerful jet ski. Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
Do you want to make videos and pictures?
Yeah, I have this.
Yeah.
I'm making with this.
Okay.
You can put this one inside.
On the phone?
No.
No? Give it to back.
You can put in the box.
It's water.
Okay, give it to this thing. This brother, he give us good discount. Plus jet, very nice, powerful jet skis, and very reasonable prices. He gave us bottle of water as well. And this is
my number.
This is a number and the card for jet ski.
Name of company.
And name of the company. Very reasonable prices.
Thank you, brother.
Good service. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Powerful jet skis. Very nice experience. Yeah. Try this one.